Hi friends, welcome back to Kids Zone with Trishy. That's me. How are you today? Hello. I'm so glad you're here again. Have you ever been to a farm? You have? They're fun. You get to see all the different animals on the farm. You get to see maybe some apples, pumpkins. You might even go for a hayride. Those are fun. I love hay rides. So today we have a little book. It's a crinkly book. Can you hear the crinkly? It's called the Crinkly Book. It makes little sounds when you touch it or squeeze it. It's made of cloth, like clothing, like your clothes. Can you hear it? Can you hear it? Yes, I could hear it. Open it. Do you want to open it? Say, open. Thank you. Open. Parrot. Parrot. Here's a parrot. A parrot is a bird. Very soft. What kind of sound does a frog make? Yes, ribbit. Ribbit. Can you say ribbit? Ribbit. Ribbit. Frog. Here's a frog. Do you know this one? Do you know this one? This one's a snail. A snail is very quiet. Kind of slithers. Snail, and the snail has a satiny tail on. Do you know this animal on the farm? Sheep. Sheep. What sound does the sheep make? Yes. Ba, ba, ba. And this sheep has a soft tail. Soft. What about this animal? What about this one? A duck. A duck. A duck says, quack, quack, quack. Can you say quack? Quack. The next one is a rabbit. Rabbit. Rabbits love carrots. Do you like carrots? I do. Carrots are very yummy, and they're a vegetable. A rabbit makes a quiet noise like and hippity hop, hippity hop. Rabbits jump, they hop. Rabbit, white soft tail. Horse. Can you say horse? Horse. A horse. A horse says, neigh, neigh, neigh. There's a horse's tail. See the last animal on the farm? Yes? Yes? Okay. Cow. A cow. What does a cow say? Moo. Moo. One, two, three, 4, 5. Monkey. Giraffe. Elephant. Crocodile. Fox. One banana for the monkey. One, two giraffe prints. 1, 2, 3 water drops from the elephant's trunk. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 leaves for the crocodile to eat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fox prints. Shut. 1. Shut. 2. Shut. 3. Shut. 4. Shut. 5. Up. Turn. Press. Press. Slide.
Crocodile.
Press.
Duck.
Where's the dog? Where's the dog? Where's the cat? Here it is. Here's the cat. You see the cat? Here it is. What does a cat say? Meow. Meow. A cat says meow. Can you say meow? Meow. Meow. Where's the mouse? What does a mouse say? A mouse is very quiet. They kind of this, they go like that. Where's the mouse? Here it is. Here's the mouse. What does a mouse eat? What is the mouse eating? Mouse likes cheese. Do you like cheese? Yes, I like cheese. Where's the rabbit? The rabbit. Here it is. Here's the rabbit. The rabbit hippity hops, right? A rabbit does this and hops, hops, hops. Can you hop like a rabbit? Hop. And a rabbit likes to eat carrots. Carrots are delicious. They're a vegetable. Where's the dog? Where's the dog? The doggy. Here it is. What does a dog say? Ruff, 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 ruff. Can you say ruff? Ruff, 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 ruff. Dog says ruff, 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 ruff. And where are you? Where are you? Are you ready? There you are. If you look in the mirror, you'll see yourself. There you are. You're special. You're beautiful. There you are.